Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex from New Home Culture Free ME who loves to play with makeup. You've been here before. Welcome back. Today's video is an Amazon haul for June. This is not July, this is for June. I kind of ordered it a little bit late and it came in July. I can't help that, but you know what? We're gonna go for it. So I had to restock / try a new product out. Of course, knowing me, I gotta get more stuff, and I've become a shockaholic. Became more of a makeup addict who keeps buying makeup. You know. But yes, so I don't know if anybody's seen that or not. But yeah, like I said, this is like the Amazon haul bag. That's what they put everything in, which is fine by me. It's okay. That's all I gotta say. It's okay. It's okay. But yes, so let's get started. So it is one new brand for me in this. So of course, all of the products will be on the screen along with the price, and everything is added up at the end of the thing. It should show how much I pay for. That's just adding, not really adding the taxes or anything like that, because here in Georgia, you do have to pay taxes, sales tax. So kind of it's okay, but you know what? Whatever, but I get free shipping because they get $25 in over. But yeah, so kind of open these already because it's easier for me to just go ahead and open this and get it with it and everything else. I'm very particular, and last time I keep opening without checking on it, everything seems to be broken, and I became paranoid of it. So yeah, let's get started. Okay. I got the Freeman English Willow Toner Pore Minimizer for deep cleaning. I'm running out my Biore, whatever you want to name it, whatever thing. I'm running out for my acne. It helps. I use that particular one, the one for has cannabis in it. I like it. It works. It helps soothe my skin. I have acne prone skin, meaning time of the month or due to stress or eating too much food that has oil in it. So I have to really make sure. I did really suffer bad acne when I was a teenager, but that was due to stress. Now it's mostly my monthly. But yes, so this is different for me. As you can see, the product is quite different, but you have to shake it up, which is fine. So it says to all-in-one pore minimizing toner that purifies to remove excess dirt and makeup while balancing skin's moisture levels. This unique shake to activate formula contains willow bark and charcoal to help clarify and dry impurities for a deep cleanse. A blend of botanical oils help to soothe and nourish skin, perfect all for skin types. So I'm always looking for, I'm not really picky with my skincare. I just like to see what works and doesn't work. But I am cruelty free, so I have to find products that are cruelty free. This was a good price. I used Dickerson's. I used Dickerson's witch hazel one and the yellow one, the toner one that helps to pore minimize and everything else to help. Which this will help with my acne. I know that for sure. So I kind of, used two different ones each, and I didn't realize this one was a pore minimizer one, but it's okay. Whatever. This is what it looks like. Pop. And of course it came with that, which is awesome. I'm not smelling it because I still gotta use up what I have in my nightly routine one. But this one also says that it's globally sourced in England's single origin willow. So that's really cool that it tells you on the bottle is sourced. So yeah, shake well to activate, then apply the cotton pad to clean face and neck morning and night. So like I said, I use two different toners in my skincare because if I don't, and I use the same kind of stuff every single time, my skin will get really picky and it will stop working and it'll just boom. So I'll kind of switch out my products morning and day. It's not my morning and my nighttime easily, and I find that really helpful with my skin because my skin is very stubborn when it comes to keeping with the same products. I'm always looking for new products to try and just restock on a lot of stuff, because I really restock my Dickerson for my morning one soon, and that's probably this month coming. I don't know yet. We never know. The next product I got is the NYX Jumbo Pencil. It's the eye pencil, and this one is called Donut. It's a purple shimmery color. I have the other ones too. I have milk, I have the cobalt blue, I have the gold, I have the pink, you know. So I really love these shadows. You can use this as eyeliner, and you can also use this as eyeshadow bases. And I like to use milk as the eyeshadow base. That's the OG thing. It has always, the NYX Milk Jumbo Pencil has always been the OG with that, and I really do enjoy that. But this is all creamy. Of course, this is shimmer. But look at that pigment. I love it. I really love it. The next one I got is the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner, and call it Electric. If I already have this one, I'm gonna be mad. But I have something similar to it. I can't keep it with stuff anymore. Not when cats keep knocking stuff over. Yeah, I do not have this shade. But I got this one because of the palettes that I have gotten. And I kind of like, same with the purple. When I'm trying out new palettes or anything, like, I try not to make a eye look with it with along other products. And I know I gotta stock up on a couple of more things for this month. I know I have to stock up on mascara. I know, like I said, I gotta stock up on a few things, and that's what I like to do, is stock up on stuff while I'm trying out new brands or new products from a brand or anything like that. But I love Amazon. Amazon's a really good place to go when you know. Ooh, look at that. Oh, I love this. I love this. I cannot wait to play with it. Last product. Lasty product. I am trying out a new brand. I've been seeing this brand quite a lot. I've seen them in my feed in Instagram. Of course, I follow them. I find these on different websites like iCakeHouse.com, like small businesses. I've seen this on Amazon, of course. I find this on their website and everything. But I am very excited to try this out, because I really want to try this brand out and see if I really do like it or not. You know, I'm not gonna say if I like it or not. I just want to see how their product's gonna work. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. I'm keeping it real here. I'm keeping it real. I am trying out the Kyra Kyra. I think it's Kyra Beauty, and this one's called Kyra Duo. It's Beach Days. That's what it comes in. I mean, they had this thing sucker wrap. They had their website on Amazon, like they have their own store on Amazon, so they have an Amazon store. And let me tell you one thing. They wrapped this thing up like it was nothing. I mean, they wrap it, of course, they shrink wrapped it. And they bubble wrapped it, and they made that thing tight like it was nothing. It was like so hard for me to apply. By the time I got done, I was like, I've already broke the palette. I was like, hope I did not break it. Well, that ice glitter just went kaput. Well, that is weird. So, let me see if I can fix that. Yep, I can fix that. Okay. Okay, that's weird how that. Oh, this is a multi-chrome glitter. Okay. Like I said, I think it's due to the weather, being heat, but it's okay. It's not a big deal. And I mean, I don't think it wasn't even pressed or what. I think it just got, I don't know. But it's okay. It's okay. I'm not, it happens. I'm just saying it's just due to the weather. Okay, it comes with 20 eyeshadows. No, 16 eyeshadows. Sorry for 20. 16 eyeshadows plus it has 1, 2, 3 pressed glitters in there, and the rest 1 shimmer, and the rest are mattes. Very, very pretty. I know what kind of look I'm going to create with this one. Minus with the pressed glitters. But I'm definitely going to do a first impressions video with this one. I know what kind of look I'm going to do. I guess I'm trying to test this out. Okay. Also, it could be knocked around. It's because of the cats. I'm just saying it's not completely the brand's fault. I think there's so many things that can happen with that. But yeah, I'm very excited with the purples. You know me with purples, I love purples. This one is like a deep, it looks like black right here, but it's not black. It's actually a deep blue color, like I really don't. But yes, so of course the prices will be right there for each product, and also what I spent. I am very excited about it. Very excited about playing with this palette. Even though there could be a little hiccup on that. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. It's not a big deal. It's not a yellow glitter type of deal. It happens. So people think I just used it up. But yes, so I'm going to put that right there. Because I got other looks I want to create and use up. But like I said, I'm going to have glitter everywhere in my face. Like I just did. There's that glitter on nothing. And the best way to get glitter off is tape. Use tape. But yes, so guys, that's interesting. So guys, if you have, but yeah, so this is it for today's video. If you do like this kind of videos, like these kind of Amazon hauls, make sure you hit the like button so I know you do. If you want to be part of the Makeup Addict family, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We're drama-free and judgment-free here. We welcome everybody here. And of course, make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos that I upload. I do go live every Monday at 12 p.m. for this summer. And of course, I do go live on Fridays at 9 p.m. where we have fun and chit chat, make window shop, and have a little fun along with my friends. Guys, I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye.